How to gain weight effectively. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of struggling to put on those extra pounds? Do you want to build muscle, boost your energy, and feel stronger than ever before? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide on how to gain weight fast. From power-packed meal plans to effective workout routines, we've got everything you need to gain weight in no time. But first, let's know why gaining weight can be hard for some people. Gaining weight can be challenging for some people due to factors like high metabolism, which causes rapid calorie burn, and genetic predispositions to leanness. Poor dietary habits, such as skipping meals or consuming low-calorie foods, further complicate weight gain efforts. Additionally, high levels of physical activity increase calorie expenditure. Psychological factors, including stress and anxiety, can also impact eating habits. Are you ready? Let's start. Eat more calories. Aim to consume more calories than your body burns daily. Consuming more calories generally means eating more food, which can improve your overall nutrient intake. This ensures that your body gets adequate vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients necessary for optimal health and bodily functions. Being underweight can lead to a weakened immune system, reduced muscle strength, and decreased bone density. Consuming more calories helps address these issues, improving overall health and well-being. Increase protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle growth. Consuming more protein helps support muscle growth by promoting protein synthesis. This is important for gaining weight in the form of lean muscle rather than just fat. Make sure to include foods like meat, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts. While protein is filling, it also helps regulate appetite hormones, such as ghrelin and peptide YY. This can help you maintain a consistent eating schedule and avoid feeling overly full, ensuring you consume enough calories throughout the day. Eat frequently. Eating frequently is important for gaining weight because it helps ensure that you consistently consume enough calories to create a surplus, which is essential for weight gain. Have 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day instead of 2 to 3 large ones. Eating smaller, frequent meals can help manage your appetite better than eating a few large meals. This approach can prevent you from feeling too full or bloated, making it easier to consume more calories over the course of the day. Drink smoothies and shakes. Calorie-dense smoothies and shakes can be easier to consume than solid foods. Drinking smoothies and shakes is an effective strategy for gaining weight because they allow you to consume a large number of calories and nutrients in a convenient, easily digestible form. Smoothies and shakes can be packed with high-calorie ingredients like fruits, nuts, seeds, dairy, protein powder, and healthy fats. This makes it easier to achieve a caloric surplus needed for weight gain. Use larger plates. Serve your meals on larger plates to encourage bigger portions. It can be an effective strategy for gaining weight because it encourages you to serve and consume larger portions of food, which can help increase your overall calorie intake. Larger plates can create the illusion of smaller portions, leading you to serve and eat more food. This can help you increase your calorie intake without feeling like you're eating excessively. Seeing a full, large plate of food can be visually satisfying and may enhance your appetite, making you more likely to finish your meal and potentially go for seconds. Healthy snacks, often. Keep high-calorie snacks on hand like nuts, seeds, fruits, yogurt, and whole grains, which provide essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and protein. These nutrients support overall health, muscle repair, and growth. Regular snacking can make it easier to reach your daily caloric goals without feeling overly full during main meals. Eat before bed. Have a healthy snack before bed to provide your body with calories to use while you sleep. Overnight fasting can lead to muscle breakdown or catabolism if your body doesn't have enough nutrients. Eating a balanced snack before bed can help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing dips that might lead to waking up hungry or feeling fatigued in the morning. Casein protein, found in dairy products like milk and cottage cheese, is slow digesting and provides a steady release of amino acids overnight, supporting muscle recovery and growth. Avoid drinking water before meals. Drinking water before meals can reduce your appetite. Drinking water before meals can make you feel fuller faster, reducing your overall appetite and the amount of food you consume. By avoiding water before meals, you can maintain a higher appetite, which helps you eat more calories. Feeling less full from water can help you enjoy your meals more, encouraging you to eat larger portions and savor the foods you need to gain weight. Strength training. Engage in regular strength training exercises to build muscle mass. Strength training stimulates muscle hypertrophy, which is the increase in muscle size. When you lift weights or perform resistance exercises, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. As these fibers repair, they grow larger and stronger, leading to increased muscle mass. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips, keeping your back straight. Go as low as comfortable, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Deadlifts. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and a barbell over your feet. Bend at your hips and knees to grasp the barbell with an overhand grip. Keep your back straight and chest up as you lift the barbell by straightening your legs and hips. Lower the barbell back to the ground with control. Bench press. Lie on a bench with your feet flat on the ground and a barbell above your chest. Grasp the barbell with a slightly wider than shoulder-width grip. Lower the barbell to your chest while keeping your elbows at about a 75-degree angle. Press the barbell back up to the starting position. Pull-ups. Hang from a pull-up bar with your hands shoulder-width apart and palms facing away from you. Pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Lower yourself back down with control. Lunges. Stand with your feet together. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push off the front foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Planks. Get into a forearm plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position for as long as possible. Limit cardio. Too much cardiovascular exercise can burn excess calories. Focus more on strength training. Limiting cardio is important for gaining weight, especially if your goal is to increase muscle mass or overall body weight. Use supplements if necessary. Consider protein powders or meal replacement shakes if you struggle to get enough calories. That's it for today's video on how to gain weight effectively. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful on your journey to reaching your weight gain goals.